The 5 money habits that keep you broke, and how to break them. What if I told you that the reason you're not building wealth isn't because you don't make enough money? It's because of how you handle the money you do make. And no, this isn't another stop buying coffee lecture. Although, if your Starbucks order costs more than your daily investments, we might need to talk. Here's the truth. Most people aren't broke because of one big mistake. They're broke because of small habits repeated over years. Quiet, sneaky, financially deadly. But today, we're shining a light on them. Because once you see these 5 habits for what they really are, you'll never go back. Stay until the end. Because the 5th one? It's the most common and the most expensive. Point 1. Living for the now. Let's start with a habit that feels like freedom, but often leads to regret. YOLO spending. You live once, so why not take that trip, buy those shoes, eat out again? But here's the thing. You don't live once. You live every day. And money mismanaged now becomes stress you can't escape later. Ever felt that knot in your stomach when rent is due and your account is dry? That's the real cost of living for the moment. How to break it? Build a 24-hour rule. Before any non-essential purchase, wait 1 day. Impulse fades. Logic takes over. You'll be shocked how often you no longer need that thing. Point 2. No budget, no clue. Next habit? Winging it. If your idea of money management is hoping there's enough by the end of the month, that's not budgeting, that's gambling. You wouldn't fly a plane without a flight path. So why fly your finances blind? Wealthy people know exactly where their money goes. They give every dollar a job, saving, investing, building. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% saving or investing. Even if you tweak the ratios, the point is intentionality. Point 3. Subscription creep. Let me guess. Movie apps, Spotify, Hulu, Disney+, gym membership you haven't used since January? You're not alone. Subscription creep is draining more wallets than you realize. It's death by 1,000 tiny cuts. $12.99 here. $7.99 there, and suddenly $200 plus a month gone. Question: when's the last time you actually checked your bank statement line by line? Audit your subscriptions every quarter. Cancel ruthlessly. Use apps like Truebill or Rocket Money to automate the cleanup. Point 4. Credit card confidence. Let's talk about plastic confidence, that false sense of security you get from credit limits. Sure, the points are nice, but if you're carrying a balance, you're paying a 20% interest fee to earn 1% cashback. Minimum payments might keep the collectors away, but they keep wealth even further. And if you think you can hack the system like the rich, we'll come back to that in point 5. But first, one of the most silent killers of financial freedom. Point 5. No investing mindset. The final and most dangerous habit? Not investing. Not losing money, but losing time. The biggest lie? I'll start investing when I have more money. If you're 25 and wait 10 years to start, you'll need to invest double to retire the same way someone who started today would. Ever heard of compound interest? It's not magic, it's math. But it feels magical if you start early enough. How to break the habit? Set up auto investing. Even $50 a month into a Roth IRA or index fund gets the ball rolling. Start now. Adjust later. Your financial turning point. Here's what nobody tells you. Money habits are like seeds. Left unchecked, the bad ones grow into debt, stress, and limitation. But when you plant good ones, start tracking. Start saving. Start investing. Because your future lifestyle depends on today's habits. In our next episode, I'll walk you through the 4 habits that turn ordinary people into millionaires. Simple, repeatable, and you can start now. Hit subscribe. Share this with someone who's still wondering where their paycheck disappears to. Because smart money plays smarter.